Hello guys. Hello. So today. Sorry, I have to have this resource pack. This texture pack on. It's mine. And it's awesome. I love it. Because the glass is see-through. Very see-through. So is the sponge. And these discs are pretty awesome. But anyway, that's mainly all I can tell you. This is my server. There you are. This is my server. And just ignore that it is my server. Today I am going to show you my recent plugin called sheepcraft parkour. You can find it on Bucket. It is there, called sheepcraft parkour. And my speed. Today I'm going to show you like basic commands, setup and stuff like that really. So the first basic command is, as you can see, I've done tons of stuff and checked my plugins. So if you just do PK, it'll tell you sheepcraft parkour made by sheepcraft, e.g. me, sheepparkour 8. Check PK help. So PK help, and I think no, you have you have to do PK help. So it comes up so in plugin help. Plugin help shows you this help. So it does. Setup commands, PK create, and then the arena creates a parkour arena. PK set start, arena set start of point. PK set level or lev, arena, and then the level set the reset level, Y level F3, and then like normal commands to join, quit, and reload. So I will show you what it basically is. This sign is used by SVS, so it's not in my plugin. I am trying to implement one into my plugin, but it's not entirely working right. So you would right click the sign or do just PK leave. No, it's not PK leave, it's PK quit, isn't it? QIT. So I had it to be PK leave, then I decided I like to quit better. I don't know why. But anyway, if I do PK join DIAMOND diamond? Yes. If I do PK join diamond, it will face me this way, but I'm in the parkour that I right click the sign. So that's how to join it. If I do the parkour, blah 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 blah, and WB recording. So yeah, if I land on this and oh no, I missed it, and I touch the floor, I go back to the beginning. But if I land on this, and it will say you failed. Try again. But if I land on this, so like I have, my server, I right click it, and it comes up with that because I have V for vampire. But if I miss, oh no, I missed, and land on the floor, that in fact I am going to get rid of these or embed them into the floor because I know you can fall there. So okay. But yeah, so as you saw, I hit the floor, I land back here. So then you will parkour around here. Hello. Carry on going, jump onto that, and then jump onto this. This is because I set it up wrong. That when I set it up, the diamond blocks had a PK leave command on them. Now they have a PK quit command on them, but it kind of rendered the command to be up a few blocks. So I do that, and it also says player sheepparkour 8 finish the parkour on arena diamond. So let's show you another. So I'm just going to set up a quick one over here. Actually, the only blocks you cannot use to make the parkour is this block. This is the finish block. So you can't use that to make the parkour like something like that. You can use... I forgot about that. You can use this block just every time you jump. If you fell, you would be kicked back onto that block. So I'm only using that rarely. So I'll use this block. Just do you in a straight, basically. And then you'll understand why in a bit. Then stick you there and just break up some others. Yeah. So then finish would be a 4. The finish can be anything between 4 and that. 4 and 9. So I've set it up. So to create the arena, stand on the starting block. Oh, fine, I'll just hop in quickly. Stand on the starting block and then go PK, create, and then I'm just going to call it test. So it says create a test, and then if you try PK join test, it will say error because it's not all set up yet. So now I want PK set starts. Face that way. It will always come out that way, so you might as well face... Whoops. You might as well face... south. So then PK set STA art. And then level names, test, done. Then the final one, this is why it says Y level F3. So if you click F3, see where it says your Y level here. If you go down. If you want it directly under, you can't really, because it goes by your feet, I think. So, wait. Yeah, it goes by your feet. So if you do -pk set alveal test and then 121. Yes. So you've done that, and that's basically it. And then you do PK join test, and I'll get him to join just so you know it's true. So he joins if he does. Join. See, he joins and he gets teleported over here. So then I'll jump onto this, fall off, finish. Run over that, and if I fall off, I don't. And then as you saw, it goes there and there. That's basically it. Now to remove it, PK, you get TP'd to where you were last. So now, say I wanted to remove it, I kind of messed this command up. And in fact, let me just, no I can't, or FAP stops. Yeah, to remove that, there isn't any command to remove it. You've got to do this to remove it. So you remove it, and it does occasionally say please reload console or something like that when you've done it. So as you can see, it says whatever command this was, please reload config as soon as you are done. So basically do the whole parkour, then do PK reload for it to work-ish. Now I'm gonna have to do this on my other computer that isn't being recorded because it's stupid. The way to remove it is you go into your configs, you will you will go into your config file, thank you, and then you would if you're on a host, generally they're either running not MC Pro, um, a control panel. So you go into the config files there, or go into FTB, find it maybe number 5. Yeah, it's generally for me anyway, it's the last one ever. So you would click on that, it would come up with the arenas. You would delete the arenas that you don't want and keep the arenas you do. And then once you've deleted it, there's 2 bits, the actual arena data and then the actual arena name, where you have to delete both. So you delete it, you save, and then you go -pk reload. Once you've done that, if you want to make sure it's deleted, go back into your file, and it has. So now if I do pk join test, I can't find that arena. It is a bit of a long-winded, but yeah, that's basically the only way to delete it at the moment. So have fun with the plugin. Please download it if you want. This video will be on YouTube and the plugin page. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.